How to make a new Temu account on the same device. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Temu application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the U option on the bottom center of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Now, scroll down and you will see the option for sign out. Tap on that and in the pop-up that appears, if you want your device to remember your login details, then tap on the remember option and further sign out. Once signed out, you will be led to the login page of Temu. Now, go ahead and use a different email or phone number. Temu requires unique credentials for each account. Ensure you have access to a different email or phone number and do not use the same credentials as your previous account. Once entered, tap on the sign in button, and with this you will be signed in with a different account. Customize your account accordingly and start shopping or participating in promotions. So, this is how you can make a new Temu account on the same device. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.